Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks Wyze for sending me these free gaming headphones to unbox and review on my channel. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for future tech reviews. As you can see, the Wyze wireless gaming headset comes in a sleek and stylish box. It's time to unbox this bad boy and see what's inside. These headphones have a 10-minute fast charge. These headphones work with PC, PlayStation, Xbox, and even mobile. We have some important accessories. We've got a USB-C charging cable, a user manual always good to have, and a detachable microphone. Let's take a closer look at this headset's design. It's lightweight, which is great for long gaming sessions. The ear cushions are super comfy, and the headband is adjustable for a customized fit. Plus, it's wireless, which means no more tangled cables to worry about. But the most important thing for a gaming headset is sound quality. I've been testing this headset for a while, and I have to say, audio is crystal clear. The bass is punchy, and the highs are sharp, perfect for immersing yourself in your favorite games. Let's not forget about the detachable microphone. It's noise cancelling and delivers clear voice communication with your teammates. Link in the description for these amazing gaming headsets. Connectivity is a breeze with this headset. It's compatible with PC, consoles, and even mobile devices. Plus, it offers low-latency wireless performance, which is crucial for competitive gaming. As for battery life, Wyze claims up to 20 hours of playtime on a single charge. I haven't fully tested that yet, but it's promising for long gaming sessions. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this unboxing and first impressions video helpful. And that's it for today's unboxing and first impressions of the Wyze wireless gaming headset. Thanks for joining me, and I'll catch you in the next video. Happy gaming!